Today I'm sharing with you the Conair fabric steamer. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you the Conair fabric steamer. This is handheld turbo steam, guys, and just about works on anything. So be it your dresses, curtains, pillows and everything. So guys, it pretty much works as a steamer and iron as well, so will give any kind of impact to your clothes. And also this has a continuous running capacity of 15 minutes. Also guys, this comes with 3 different attachments. So this one that has this silicone band, so the purpose is to pull the fabric taut for better results. And the attachment number 2 is this one. This is a fabric spacer to protect trims and find like really delicate fabrics. And then you have this one, the one which has the bristle brush. This is to ensure that the steam penetrates fibers for a perfect press, especially on the heavy fabrics. So guys, this is the place you fill up the water. You can see there is some filled up already. This is the power on and off button, the steam button, the settings button, and this is like the outlet from where the steam comes out. So guys, first things first, I'm gonna bring this thing out and show you how you fill up the water. So it just comes out like this. So now this is the water reservoir. We're gonna lift this thing and add water from here. So guys, I filled up some more water to demonstrate the usage to you guys. Just gonna put the lid back, the white color lid back. I'm gonna place it back right here. It's back here. Next, I'm gonna plug this thing into an electric socket. So guys, the moment I've plugged it, you can see the blue light flashing. So this means it's ready and the steam is in the process of getting ready. So typically you need to wait for 20 seconds for the steam to be ready. After 20 seconds, guys, you're gonna see these red lights. So this is prompting me to select this the steam level, the intensity. So I'm gonna hit the setting button. See, it comes down to the lowest. If I press it again, second highest, third, fourth, fifth. So these settings are as per the fabric. So for a delicate fabric, very, very fine, I'm gonna use a setting 1, maybe 2 for something like a little more thick, and maybe if it's like woolens and all, or blazers, thick clothes, I can also use a setting of 5, which is the highest setting. So for today, I'm gonna show it to you on a very light cottony kind of fabric. So I'm selecting a setting of 1. Next, I'm gonna hit the steam button right here. So if you can hear, guys, you can see the steam. So now the steamer is ready to use. Let's try and use it. So guys, to switch it off, I'm gonna hit the steam button, and there is also this on off button. So I'm gonna switch it off. Very important, guys, do not leave it on. So guys, overall a very high-tech, and a handy, convenient gadget if you're trying to switch from the traditional ironing thing to like a more advanced kind of a steam press, because this also kills, as per the claim on the website, this also kills 99.9% of the bacteria like from the surface of the fabrics. This has 5 different heat settings, and guys, the best thing is that this kind of I don't know if you have to compare it with like a typical dry cleaning procedure, there are no chemicals involved in this. This is steam, which is like safe. This is all it uses is water. And the only flip side I would like to highlight here is is that this is kind of risky, because I remember when I tried using it for the first time, the steam was so strong, like, and because I was holding it first time, you don't know, then like I think I held it from the wrong spot, and like, you know, I was like, ouch, because that steam was like literally burning my hand. So that is something I thought I'll mention here. So you might want to be very, very careful when you're using it, like the initial few times, but once you get a hang of it, then you really know how to operate this.